Welcome to my channel, Malani Creations. My name is Wendy. Believe it or not, both of these earrings are actually made the same way. Let me show you how to make the angel earrings first. Be sure to check out the description for more information on the tools and materials. I have a lot of holiday earring tutorials, so if you are looking for more DIYs, check out my playlist up here. Next, let's make the holly pearl earrings. Let's start by making the leaves, which is the same way we made the angel wings but with less beads, and I will show you that in a second. I am speeding up this part since the steps are the same as the angel wings, So if you want slower instructions, refer to the angel wings. The first 4 rows are the same, where we will add 1 bead, 2 bead, 3 bead, and 4 beads. But for the 5th row, we will add 3 beads instead of 5 beads. For the second leaf, we will start by adding 3 beads. Again, this is different from the angel wings where we add 5 beads instead of 3. The rest of the steps are the same. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Again, I have a lot of holiday earring tutorials, so please be sure to check out my playlist. Thank you and have a wonderful holidays. Bye!